Publishing ebooks used to take weeks, writing, editing, formatting, and designing. But now with Ebook Writer AI, you can create and publish AI-generated ebooks on Amazon KDP the easy way. Here's how it works. First, choose your topic and title. Think of a niche people already love, like personal development, business, or lifestyle. Then type it into Ebook Writer AI. Add a short description and let the AI generate your chapters and content in minutes. Next, review and refine your ebook. You can edit tone, structure, and layout, or keep the AI-generated version as is. The writing reads naturally and feels professional, ready for publishing. Then, use the built-in formatting tools. Ebook Writer AI gives your ebook a clean, readable layout automatically. Perfect for Kindle readers. You can also add a cover image, author bio, and affiliate links for extra monetization. Finally, upload it to Amazon KDP. Just export your file and publish. Within hours, your ebook can be live, earning royalties and building your brand. So if you're ready to publish ebooks faster and easier than ever before, sign up through my link in the description and start using Ebook Writer AI today. Turn your ideas into income the smart way.